Hey guys, I'm Alena and today we are going to learn prepositions in French. So let's get started. Prepositions in French are known as les prépositions. Prepositions are words which are used to link a noun or a phrase to another element in a sentence. And some common English prepositions are on, in, to, at, between, among, etc. And now we learn all these in French. Now let's see the placement of the preposition in a sentence. Here I have taken a sentence which has a preposition sur, which means on. The sentence is Le livre est sur la table, which means the book is on the table. Now, as I told you, prepositions are words which connect a word with the other element in the sentence. Here, our first element was le livre, the book, and our second element was le table, which is the table. And sur, which is on, the preposition connects the livre, the book, and the table. So, our preposition will always be placed in between them. Like first, my first element is this whole thing, the book is. Now I will tell where the book is, which is the book is on. And the second element, the table. The book is on the table. So the preposition connect these two elements. Like prepositions usually tell the place where the second element is, mainly like that. Like here, it tells that the book is on the table. It could have been the book is under the table, the book is beside the table, like that. So prepositions, in a way, they tell the location of an object. They will be placed between the two elements of a sentence. Now, if we take another example, if I say le arbre est devant la maison. Here, a preposition is devant, which means in front of. The sentence is the tree is in front of the house. Here, the first element was the tree and the second element was the house. And a preposition was placed in between the two elements in a way to connect them. So this is what we do in prepositions and this is how they are placed. Now let's learn about a few common prepositions in French. First one is après. Après means after. Like I go after 2 o'clock. Entre, which means between. She sits between both of them. Then sur. Sur means on. And sous, which means under. Now these two are the contraire, which means the opposite. So for sur, which means on, the contraire is under. Sur, sous. Avec, which means with. Je jouais avec mes amis. I play with my friends. Devant, which means in front of. The school is in front of my house. L'école est devant mon maison. Derrière, which means behind. Again, these two are the opposites. Similarly, you can say l'école est derrière mon maison. My school is behind my house. Avant, which means before. So après and avant are also the contraries. After, before, after. Je arrivais avant 2 heures. I will come before 2 o'clock. Next one is à gauche, which means at the left or to the left. And its opposite is à droite, the. We have written this the in bracket. I'll tell you more about it. à droite, which means at the right of or to the right of. So this the is just symbolizing this of. À gauche, we can, along with à gauche also, we can write the to the left of, to the right of. These two are also opposites. So these are few commonly used prepositions. The next preposition we are going to learn about is pour, which means for. Then we have chez. Chez means at. And here it is referring to a place. Like I'm going at my friend's place. Chez. So this at, it's at someone's place. You can say at someone's place. Chez. Like we can say nous allons notre chez ami. Like we are going to our friend's place. Next one is à. This also is used to refer to a place. Its meaning is to. Elle allait en français. She is going to France. So à is also used to refer to a place, like she is going to France. Next one is de. De means of or from. Both of or from. Next one, loin de. Far from. Près de. Near to or near from. Like the airport is near from my house. It is near to my house. So près de and loin de, they are also opposites of each other. So pour means for, chez, at, à, to, de, of or from, loin de, which means far from, près de, which means near to or near from. And these were all the prepositions we are going to learn in this video. Now let's quickly solve this exercise. In the first question, we have to fill in with the appropriate preposition. The question is, le jardin est dash le palais. The garden is dash the palace. So the garden can be in front of the palace, can be behind the palace, at the left, at the right, in the palace. So like here, I can write devant. Le jardin est devant le palais. It is in front of the palace. There can be multiple answers. So here I have just written one of them. Next one, les étudiants sont dash le professeur. The students are dash the professor. So like here we can say the students are in front of the professor, they are behind the professor, they are at the left of the professor, the right of the professor. So like here I'm going to write derrière, which is behind the professor. Now here I have been given with a preposition and I have to write its opposite. So the preposition here is avant. Avant means before, and the opposite of before is after, and in French it is après. Avant, après. Now here I have been given with three options. I'll have to choose one of them, the appropriate one. Elle mangeait sur ses amis, avec ses amis, or sous ses amis. She eats on her friends, with her friends, or under her friends. Of course, she cannot eat on her friends, she cannot eat under her friends, but she can eat with her friends. So, elle mangeait avec ses amis. So that would be the answer for this. And that was all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. And click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I'm on YouTube. Also, check the description box for free worksheet with answer keys. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.